Discussing making money online, the best information is in this video. The prospect of making money online seems impossible to some, others question whether these ventures are legit. Luckily, you have this video. This will teach you how to make money online. If you're serious about making money with the help of the internet, this video will give you ideas on how to get started. Make sure you can prove your identity before you make money online. Most online portals will want similar validation about you as a real-world job. It's a good idea to have one digital copy of each of your identification cards. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Search Make Money Online on Google. Your query will generate a lot of results. If you find something interesting, research their company. Always proceed with caution when joining an online earning opportunity. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. As you can see, it's indeed possible to make money through the internet. It is important to know where you stand and what you will be getting into to ensure success. Through this video, you are gaining your first lesson about earning money online. Use what you have learned and you will be amazed at how much money you can make. Student loan.